fascinating. I loved it. Hi guys, today I'm at V&A. Natalia from Natalka Design, if you don't know. I'm at V&A and I am for an exhibition called Fragility. So it's a beautiful collection of Elton John and I think his partner, let me check, a collection of black and white photography, which is something, well, not just black and white, photography in general. It's one of my favorite ways to express visual storytelling. I love photography, I live for it. I want to have everything that, at my house, although not enough walls. But I'm so excited because this is so up my street. So I'm going to take you for a little walk around V&A for this exhibition. Fashion Week is coming to London as well, or it's already there. So it's just a beautiful reminder of beauty, capturing moments, storytelling. I live for that stuff. So I'll see you there. Let's go. Commentary when I'm out, but if you're here in London, if you love photography, if you love very rare storytelling that can really take you hours to go through, this is the one. Go for it. Just wow. Like, my brain is on fire. I'm so inspired. I didn't know, actually. Yes, this is the couple. So Elton John and David Furnish, as I remember. So it is their collection. It's wild. It's beautiful. Yeah, I feel like if I was a famous singer traveling the world and having the most interesting life probably out of them all, I would collect photography as well. It's just, we humans are fragile creatures that just can't live without the dark and the light, I think. But yeah, if you can go, please do. It's fascinating. I loved it.